Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV15 from the mains to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor housing. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the screws located on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may not have been removed. With the back cover off, you will now see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. This will help ensure that your new motor operates efficiently. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before you proceed. Now, locate the motor's electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it by pulling it straight out. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Typically, there are 2 screws on the motor mount. Use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. If you encounter any resistance, double check that all screws have been removed and that the electrical connector is fully detached. Now take your new motor and place it into the housing. Ensure it is seated properly and aligns with the screw holes. Reinsert the screws to secure the motor in place. It's crucial to tighten these screws firmly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the motor or housing. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new motor, ensuring it clicks into place. This is a vital step, as a loose connection can lead to operational issues. With the motor installed, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to hold the cover in place. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the base and pressing down until it clicks into place. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any tools or debris from your workspace. If you find that this process is too tricky, or if you encounter any issues, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Now, plug your Dyson SV15 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. If everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully replaced the motor. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.